Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we talk about those life-changing books that help us think better, live better, and grow stronger. Today, we are diving into a powerful book by Darius Farooq, titled, Focus on What Matters. This book teaches a life-changing truth: you can't do everything, but you can do the right things. In a world full of distractions, Darius shows us how to simplify our life, protect our focus, and build real happiness by doing only what truly matters. So, stay with me till the end, because this summary might change the way you look at success, time, and life itself. Keycap 1: Stop being busy, start being effective. Darius says, being busy doesn't mean being productive. Most of us keep running all day long, but at the end of the day, we still feel empty because we didn't move in the right direction. He says, don't just move, move in the right direction. So, every day ask yourself, am I doing what truly matters to my goals? If the answer is no, then it's time to change your direction. Keycap 2: Stop comparing, start living. Comparison is the thief of joy. Darius reminds us that we lose peace when we compare our progress with others. Someone else's success story doesn't mean you are failing. He writes, you can't win someone else's race. So, stop competing with people. Instead, compete with yourself, become 1% better every day. Keycap 3: Simplify your life, less is more. According to Darius, peace and clarity come from simplicity. He says we must declutter 3 areas of life. 1. Mental clutter, negative thoughts. 2. Physical clutter, unnecessary possessions. 3. Digital clutter, social media, notifications, junk emails. The less you carry, the lighter you feel. When your environment is simple, your mind becomes calm and focused. Keycap 4: Protect your time. Darius says, greater than the way you spend your time is the way you live your life. Time is the most valuable currency. So before doing anything, ask, is this adding value to my life? If not, say no. Don't let unimportant tasks steal your time. Always schedule your priorities, not your distractions. Keycap 5: Learn to say no. One of the most powerful lessons in the book is, every time you say yes to something meaningless, you are saying no to something meaningful. You don't need to please everyone. You need to protect your focus. Darius says, greater than saying no isn't selfish. It's smart. So, from today, say yes only to the things that move you closer to your goals. Keycap 6: Discipline equals freedom. Real freedom doesn't come from doing whatever you want. It comes from having control over your habits and mind. Darius explains, greater than discipline is the bridge between goals and results. Start small, wake up early, limit your phone usage, and finish tasks on time. The more discipline you build, the more peace you create inside yourself. Keycap 7: Value quality relationships. Darius reminds us, you don't need many friends, just a few real ones. Greater than, don't try to please everyone. Focus on the people who truly matter. Build deep, honest connections with those who lift you higher. Cut off toxic people gracefully. Your mental health depends on your company. Keycap 8: Think long term. Today's world chases quick success, fast money, instant fame, overnight results. But Darius says, greater than everything valuable takes time. Consistency beats shortcuts. Be patient, stay focused, and trust your process. Small progress daily turns into massive success over time. Keycap 9: Focus on inner growth. The most powerful success is inner success. Knowledge, mindset, and peace are the real assets. Darius says, greater than, when you grow from within, everything outside starts improving. So read more, meditate, learn new skills, and upgrade your thinking. External achievements will naturally follow. Keycap 10: Gratitude and purpose, the heart of focus. In the end, Darius reminds us to stay grateful. Be thankful for what you already have: your health, your family, and the chance to live another day. And always stay connected to your purpose. When you know your why, focus becomes effortless. Friends, focus on what matters isn't just a book, it's a mindset. It's a reminder that life is short, and our energy is limited. So why waste it on things that don't matter? Remove distractions. Follow your direction. And live with clarity and intention. As Darius Faroo beautifully said, greater than, focus is not about doing more things right. It's about doing the right things. If you found this summary helpful, hit that like button. Tell me in the comments which lesson hit you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful book summaries every week. Thanks for watching. Stay focused, stay peaceful, and remember, focus on what truly matters, and let go of the rest.